Hello, my name is Evan. This is Zach. We're here with Mid-State Seamless Gutters in another video designed to help you make a more informed decision when choosing your next contractor. While working in the gutter industry, we hear a single phrase countless times throughout the season: aren't all gutters the same? In this video, we'll explain a handful of best practices as well as some shortcuts that are often used by some. We hope this video provides you with a better understanding of what a proper gutter installation should look like.
Let's start by looking at the gutters themselves. In this day and age, most gutters are made out of seamless aluminum. The thickest, most durable, and longest lasting material we can get is called .032. That's the thickness of the actual gutter metal itself. Some companies will use a thinner gutter metal called .027, but with a side-by-side comparison, we can see that the .032 is stronger, more durable, less apt to dent or bend under a snow load, and will keep your house looking newer longer.
The next step is to ensure that your roofline and fascia are protected with gutter flashing and self-sealing screws. Flashing can come in many different shapes and sizes, but should always be tucked up underneath the shingles on the back side and lay flat on the gutter on the inside. Once this flashing is in place, ceramic-coated steel screws with small neoprene washers will hold that gutter to your home. These neoprene washers are necessary to ensure that no water is tracking down the screw into your fascia where it does not belong. Any install you find that does not have the neoprene screws should not be considered as proper or professional install.
The downspouts are also held together with screws, small sheet metal screws called zip screws. Some companies will use an unpainted zip screw with a metallic finish, but zip screws come in a variety of colors, so the ones on your downspouts should closely match your downspout color itself. The downspout brackets should also be color matched, as well as prefabricated. Prefabricated downspout brackets by design are made out of a thicker, more robust aluminum than the downspouts themselves. Some companies will fabricate brackets out of extra pieces of the downspouts, but those thinner brackets leave the downspouts very loosely attached, not able to bear the weight in the wintertime when they can fill with ice.
At the bottom of the downspout, tip-up hinges are becoming very popular and can be an excellent option for the right homeowner and yard. We prefer a tip-up hinge called the zip hinge, which is universal to all downspout sizes and is fastened with 8 screws for long-term stability. Push pin hinges, which are older and cheaper, do not offer the same stability as the zip hinge.
So to recap, 6 things you can look at on your gutter installation. Was the proper .032 thickness gutter coil used? Proper flashing installed? Steel ceramic coated screws with neoprene washers used to attach your gutters? Color-coded zip screws for your downspouts, as well as prefabricated downspout brackets, and if needed, the right type of tip-ups. Thanks again for watching. This has been Zach and Evan with Mid-State Seamless Gutters, and we hope this video helps you make a more informed decision when choosing your next contractor.